Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making it safe and accessible. Park on level ground, let the engine cool, and disconnect the battery to avoid shock. Once done, confirm the A/C issue with manifold gauges so you know if pressure is low or the clutch isn't engaging. You'll also need to recover refrigerant legally or confirm previous recovery. Next, inspect the belt, electrical connector, and clutch gap visually so you can plan removal without surprises. You'll continue by safely relieving any residual pressure, unplugging the clutch wiring, and removing the serpentine belt and mounting bolts. Once free, support the A/C lines and cap them to keep contamination out, then unbolt and extract the compressor. Inspect the clutch, bearings, and shaft for play or scoring and check oil color and level so you can decide whether to replace or rebuild. Make sure the new unit matches displacement, pulley diameter, and PAG oil capacity to ensure proper system balance. Install the replacement compressor, torquing mounting bolts to spec, reconnecting electricals, and routing the belt correctly so you maintain proper tension. Once assembled, evacuate the system to about 500 microns for 30 to 45 minutes to remove moisture and air, then hold vacuum to verify no leaks. Charge with the manufacturer refrigerant mass while monitoring high and low side pressures, and run the system to verify outlet temperatures and clutch cycling. If pressures are wrong, recheck for leaks and correct oil quantity. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.